This is John here with a new tip and trick. We just want to focus on some of these dry chem sponges, and there's a few different brands that you can use to get dirt, fingerprints off of your ceiling tile. Obviously someone's been up in here. So again, here's how you use these, and you just yeah, wow. Just, I mean, it removed those handprints like they were never there. And, you know, on a punch list, we'll take these in, we'll clamp this thing to a 4-foot T, and you can just, from the ground, you can go and get rid of a lot of blemishes, you know, stains, scuffs. Obviously, if the tile's scratched, it's not gonna, repair that, but it's gonna take the dirt off. So when you're on your next punch list, you know, fixing damaged tiles, remember these dry chem cleaning sponges do a great job removing the dirt from ceiling tiles.